Have you ever been caught off guard by an unexpected itch, wondering what's behind it? Whether it's a subtle tickle on your arm or a persistent scratch on your back, an itch can often seem like just a nuisance. But what if I told you that your body is actually trying to tell you something much deeper than just a physical irritation? In today's video, we are diving into the fascinating world of itching, decoding its mysteries and exploring the messages your body might be sending you. So, if you've ever wondered what that itch is trying to tell you about your health, your emotions, or even your spiritual state, stay tuned. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell to stay updated on all of our enlightening discussions. Let's begin. The mystery of the itch. What is your body really trying to tell you? Itching, also known as pruritus, may seem like a trivial sensation, but it's actually a complex response orchestrated by your nervous system. While scratching an itch may bring temporary relief, it often fails to address the underlying cause of the irritation. So, what's the real story behind this phenomenon? In this exploration, we will break down the various types of itches, their causes, and the deeper meanings behind them. But first, let's understand how the body experiences and responds to itching. How does an itch work? When you feel an itch, sensory receptors in your skin known as pruriceptors are activated. These receptors respond to stimuli like histamines, which are often released during allergic reactions or skin irritation. When these receptors are triggered, they send signals to the spinal cord and brain, where the sensation of an itch is perceived. Interestingly, an itch is similar to pain in the way it triggers a sensory response, but the brain processes it differently. While pain often warns you of potential harm, an itch is typically a more superficial sensation. However, the desire to scratch comes from the brain's attempt to soothe the irritation, though scratching can sometimes worsen the sensation, creating a cycle of itching and scratching. Common causes of itching. 1. Allergies and skin reactions. The most common cause of itching is allergic reactions, which can be triggered by certain foods, plants, medications, or even fabrics. When your immune system reacts to an allergen, it releases histamines to fight the perceived threat. Histamines cause blood vessels to dilate, leading to the familiar symptoms of swelling, redness, and, of course, itching. 2. Skin conditions. Conditions like eczema, psoriasis, and hives are notorious for causing persistent itching. These skin conditions can range from mild to severe and often require specialized treatment to manage. Eczema, for instance, is often triggered by environmental factors, stress, or allergens, leading to dry, inflamed, and itchy skin. 3. Infections. Fungal infections, bacterial infections, and even viral infections like chickenpox can cause itching. When your body is fighting off an infection, it can trigger inflammation and histamine release, leading to an itchy sensation. Scratching in these instances can spread the infection or delay the healing process. 4. Dry skin. Dry or dehydrated. Skin can become rough, flaky, and prone to itching. This can happen due to weather conditions, overuse of harsh soaps, or other environmental factors. It's especially common during the winter months when the air is drier and our skin loses moisture more quickly. 5. Hormonal changes. Itching can also be linked to changes in hormone levels. Pregnancy, menopause, or thyroid issues can all trigger itching. Pregnant women often experience pruritus, especially in the later stages, due to the increased blood volume and changes in skin elasticity. 6. Medications. Certain medications, including antibiotics, pain relievers, and chemotherapy drugs, can cause allergic reactions that result in itching. This side effect is usually temporary but can be bothersome, requiring a change in medication or the addition of antihistamines. 7. Underlying health conditions. In some cases, chronic itching may signal an underlying health issue, such as liver disease, kidney disease, or even cancer. When the body's internal systems are struggling, they can often communicate distress through symptoms like itching. In these cases, it's important to address the root cause with medical intervention. The emotional and psychological connection to itching. Itching is not just a physical phenomenon, it can be linked to our emotional and mental well-being as well. Psychological factors like stress, anxiety, and even depression can trigger itching sensations. Here's why. Stress-induced. Itching. When you're stressed, your body releases stress hormones like cortisol, which can cause skin sensitivity and trigger itching. Additionally, stress and anxiety can make you more likely to scratch, exacerbating the sensation. Many people experience itching during periods of high tension, such as during work deadlines or personal conflicts. Psychosomatic itch. The term psychosomatic refers to physical symptoms that are caused or exacerbated by mental or emotional stress. Psychosomatic itching can manifest in various forms, from localized itching on the scalp or arms to more generalized discomfort. The body responds to emotional turmoil by producing physical symptoms, with itching being one of the most common. Emotional healing. Sometimes itching can be seen as a sign that your body is asking for healing, whether physical or emotional. The sensation may be a reminder to address areas of your life that need attention. For instance, you might experience more itching when you're avoiding emotional issues, relationships, or self-care. This can be interpreted as a signal from your body to slow down, reflect, and take action on those aspects of your life that need nurturing. The spiritual significance of itching. Itching has long been associated with spiritual meanings in many cultures and belief systems. Some traditions interpret itching as a sign of spiritual awakening, while others view it as a reminder to pay attention to your environment or your own inner state. 1. A reminder of change. In many spiritual traditions, an unexpected itch is seen as a sign that something important is about to happen in your life. It may be interpreted as a signal that change is on the horizon, and your body is urging you to stay alert and aware. In this context, itching might symbolize the discomfort that often comes with growth or transformation. 2. A call to ground yourself. In some metaphysical practices, itching is associated with the need to reconnect with the earth or with one's spiritual practices. For example, if you experience itching in certain areas of your body, it may be interpreted as a reminder to ground your energy, whether that means meditating, spending time in nature, or engaging in prayer or mindfulness practices. 3. The connection to the heart. Chakra. Certain areas of the body, like the chest or shoulders, may experience more frequent itching when there is an imbalance in the heart chakra. The heart chakra is associated with love, compassion, and emotional balance. If you're feeling disconnected or emotionally blocked, your body may manifest this imbalance as an itch in areas related to the heart or chest. 4. Spiritual cleansing. Itching can also be seen as a form of energetic cleansing. Some believe that when you experience itching, it may be your body's way of releasing negative or stagnant energy. This can happen during a healing or awakening process, where old emotions or blockages are being cleared from your system. The itch is a symbolic cleansing, signaling that you are letting go of what no longer serves you. 5. Ancestral messages. In some cultures, it is believed that an itch in a particular part of the body can be a message from your ancestors or a spiritual guide. For instance, if your palms itch, it might be seen as a sign of upcoming wealth or opportunity. If your ears itch, it might be interpreted as a message from your ancestors or divine forces urging you to listen carefully to your inner guidance. What to do when you itch? While the occasional itch is normal, persistent, or severe, itching should not be ignored. If your itch doesn't subside or it's accompanied by other symptoms, it may be time to seek medical advice. Here are a few ways to address itching effectively. 1. Identify the trigger. Start by identifying what is causing the itch. Whether it's an allergic reaction, a skin condition, or stress, recognizing the root cause can help you determine the best course of action. 2. Stay hydrated and moisturize. Dry skin can be a major cause of itching. Regularly applying a gentle, fragrance-free moisturizer can help keep your skin hydrated and reduce the irritation. 3. Avoid scratching. As tempting as it may be, scratching can worsen the irritation and lead to further damage to your skin. Instead, try gently tapping or pressing on the itchy area to reduce the sensation. 4. Seek professional help. If the itch persists or is accompanied by swelling, redness, or pain, consult a doctor to rule out any underlying health conditions. Your healthcare provider can offer treatments to address the root cause of the itching. 5. Practice stress relief. Since stress can exacerbate itching, it's important to manage your stress levels. Practice relaxation techniques like deep breathing, yoga, or meditation to help calm your mind and body. 6. Explore spiritual practices. If you believe that the itching may have a spiritual significance, consider incorporating grounding practices such as walking barefoot on natural earth. engaging in mindful reflection, or performing spiritual cleansing rituals. In this video, we've explored the mystery behind the itch, what it is, why it happens, and what your body might be trying to tell you. From allergic reactions to emotional imbalances and even spiritual awakenings, your body uses itching as a way to communicate various messages. By paying attention to these signs, you can gain deeper insight into your physical, emotional, and spiritual well-being. Remember, if your itch persists or becomes concerning, don't hesitate to consult with a healthcare professional. Your body is always speaking to you, and it's up to you to listen. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like, share, and subscribe for more insightful content. Stay tuned for our next video, where we'll continue exploring the fascinating connection between mind, body, and spirit. Take care.